Hi everyone and welcome to another episode in Kylie's Kitchen. I'm Kylie, welcome to my kitchen, and I am one of the directors at GF Oats Australia. Today, however, in my kitchen, I'm going to show you a little recipe using our biscuit crumble. So this is what the biscuit crumble looks like, and what it is the Anzac biscuits, which everybody knows and loves, just ground down into a crumble. And we sort of discovered this a little bit by mistake and realized that makes beautiful snack balls, bases for tarts, or you can use it for a topping over your ice cream or yogurt. But today I'm going to show you how to make the snack balls. So we're going to use 240 grams of the biscuit mixture, which is how it comes, the weight it comes in the packet. We're going to put that in. Now I like to use about 30 grams of the oats because I just like the texture you will see at the end when you mix it into the balls. Now 150 grams of cream cheese, but please feel free to swap that out for a vegan cream cheese. My local shop just didn't have any. So this is what it looks like. I'm now going to pop it into the Thermomix. And just to let you know, you can use any oats. I just used some quick oats today because there was some left over in a packet, but really any oats will be fine. So I'm going to pop that into the blender and I'll be back with you shortly. Okay, now we have blended those three ingredients in the Thermomix. Now by all means, if you don't have a Thermomix, just use a food processor, whatever you have. But if you're going to blend it by hand, by all means, that's possible. But just make sure that your cream cheese is at room temperature, because that's the only thing that you're going to have to really work into those dry ingredients. Okay, so all we need to do now is just take a small mixture. By all means, you can use a spoon if you'd like to have more even biscuit balls, but I'm just going to do it the rough old way. Now you can add in any other ingredients here that you want. So I've added in chocolate chips before, and I've also rolled it in desiccated coconut. So that's what they're going to look like. Now if you're watching this in the replay, please put replay in the comments below, and I'll also put a link directly to the recipe and to the shop where you can grab yourself some of our beautiful biscuit crumble mixture. Thanks for watching everyone. Bye.